central Bay of Bengal move northwestward with the speed of 12 km per hour. Now it is around 460 kilometers southeast of Paradip and 490 kilometers southeast of Dhamra and 540 kilometers southeast of Sagar Island, and it is very likely to move northwestward and intensify into a severe cyclonic storm over northwest Bay of Bengal by early morning 24th. And cross North Odisha and West Bengal coast between Puri and Sagar Island close to Bhitarkanika and Dhamra during the night time of 24th to morning of 25th October as a severe cyclonic storm, and while crossing the coast the wind speed will be around 100 to 110 km per hour, gusting to 120 km per hour, due to which all the ports are warned and the port warning signal is issued for Paradip, Dhamra, Puri port Great Danger 10 and for Gopalpur Great Danger 8 signal is hoisted for the ports. And if we see the wind speed activity for the district of Baleshwar, Bhadrak, Kendrapada, wind speed will be around 100 to 110, gusting to 120 from tomorrow. For tomorrow and day after tomorrow during the cyclone crossing, and 80 to 90 kilometer in the district of Mayurbhanj, and wind speed will be around 60 to 80 kilometer in the district of Jagatsinghpur, Cuttack and Jajpur, and 60 to 70 kilometer per hour in the district of Puri, Khordha, Dhenkanal and Keonjhar district, and 50 to 60 kilometer in the district of kilometer per hour in the district of Sundargarh, 40 to 50 km per hour in the district of Ganjam, Nayagarh, Angul, Deogarh and Sambalpur district. And rainfall activity will continue from today onwards, and heavy rainfall activity very likely tonight in the district of Baleshwar, Bhadrak, Jajpur, Kendrapada, Jagatsinghpur, Puri district, and tomorrow we see red warning is given for the district of Mayurbhanj, Baleshwar, Bhadrak, Jajpur, Kendrapada, Jagatsinghpur and Cuttack. And in those districts, heavy to very heavy rainfall at a few places with isolated extremely heavy rainfall very likely. And orange warning is given for the district of Puri, Khordha, Nayagarh, Angul, Dhenkanal, Keonjhar and Ganjam district. On 25th, red color warning is issued for the district of Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar, Baleshwar and Bhadrak. And orange warning is issued for Sundargarh, Deogarh, Angul, Dhenkanal, Jajpur, Cuttack, Kendrapada and Jagatsinghpur district.